Skyline Landing Gaming, and today we are here with another game. We are playing Run 3. So yeah, this is our first episode of Run 3. I've obviously heard of it before, but I'll put the game in the description below so y'all can play it yourselves. Now, before you already know, I gotta link my channel in before we start the video, so let's do it. Before I get into this video, I'd like to say, what the hell is this? What is this? 7 views? No! That's not what I asked for. I said! Calm down, Kyrie. 100, I'm pretty sure I said 194 views. This does not look like 194 views. This is 7 views. Matter of fact, let me check the video out. Still 7 views. No likes. I asked for likes. Calm down. Alright, y'all. This cannot be happening on this channel. I know. This is only one video. Guys, I just got a lot going on. If y'all would like and subscribe, that would help the channel. It's not even that hard, bro. I don't understand. Look. Hold up. Let me show y'all how to subscribe. Since y'all kindergartners don't know what to do. Look. Watch this. You watch the video. You hit the like button. And then you subscribe, wherever the subscribe button should be there. And if you want, you can comment. And you comment. Look, see? So easy, isn't it? How do I delete this comment, bro? Delete it. But y'all get the point. Like, come on, bro. It's not that hard. I put the link in the description, bro. The link right there. I do everything I say I'm gonna do. I put the link in the description. Literally, guys, the video is edited. The only bad thing about the video is the quality. Blame Bandicam for that. I might switch to OBS if Bandicam screws up like that one more time. But before we get back to my channel, let me see how my first channel is doing. Unacceptable. What is this? I even put a thumbnail. Even if it wasn't a good one, I got a thumbnail maker now, but unacceptable. This is Death to Fly. I reacted to one of the most funniest YouTubers on YouTube. That's still not enough. And the video was 31 minutes and 28 seconds. Bruh. What's not to like, bro? 3 views? That's leading me to think that y'all only have 3 family members. No, that leading me to think that you got 1 family member, no friends, and 1 enemy. Cause I told y'all to share. Share! Share the video with people. This is unacceptable. Don't let this happen again, y'all. Yes, I'm gonna start trying too. I know my part. I know what I have to do. But what y'all don't understand is being a YouTuber is not easy. And plus, look, a great YouTuber once told me, don't worry about what you could have. Worry about work with what you have. And this is all I have. This is not a wireless webcam, y'all. This is a wire. Look, see? Look at my computer. Come on. Look at that. It's not much, and my headphones got broken. I don't got a mic, which is why I need y'all to subscribe. You know, once you start subscribing, I'm gonna start doing better too. Because I remember I've pushed hoops for y'all before. I've done great things on my channel before. Y'all still don't consider liking or subscribing. It's not that hard. You just press a button. I don't understand. think I need to visit people's house. People, look, the 15 people that are subscribed to me, I'm gonna visit your house, and when y'all watch my videos, I'm gonna see how hard it is for y'all to subscribe. It's like y'all have no fingers at all, or y'all fingers are broken. So, come on, bro. It's not that hard. Just like and subscribe. I'm trying my best. Anyways, let's get back to the topic on my channel. Tell y'all what. If y'all could get me to 34 subscribers, at least, and then probably even one like, I don't care. I will make an intro and an outro. I'll make proper thumbnails, and at the end of the video, you'll see 2 videos pop up at the end, the ones that you want to watch. Depending on how much videos I have. But, let's make this quick, because I'm supposed to be recording for 12 minutes and 51 seconds. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, Kai Carter Landline and Gaming, press the notifications down below so you always get notified when I post a new video, and comment down below my channel, or comment down below what you thought of the video I posted. Hit the like button on my channel, Kai Carter Landline and Gaming. And comment down below what game you want me to play in the future, and if you're going to comment something, make sure it's positive. If you're going to comment something negative, please make sure to put, it was a joke or no offense, just a reassurance, because there's nothing other than positivity on this channel, but I'm not family friendly. Now, for the subscriber limit I want to hit for the video, how much subscribers I want, how much views and likes I want when I drop this video and y'all watch and like it, I want y'all to get me up to 64 subscribers or more on this video, 96 likes or more on this video, and about 192 views or more on this video, y'all. It's literally not that hard. It's not rocket science. Alright? And make sure to share this video with your enemies, friends, and family, and tell them to do this exact same thing I'm telling you to do right now. Now, let's get on with the game, guys. Here we go. sorry about that, guys. My camera cut off as always. Let's just continue. I'm gonna put background music for this, cause like the music is too loud. I don't have headphones, so no one can hear me talking. So I'm gonna just put background music. Let's see if I can find any. Yep. Oh my god. Jesus freaking Christ. Next time I do a video, y'all will just be seeing OBS. Cause like, man, I don't have anything else to use. Try use. You know how long ago I was looking for screen recorders to use? I was looking for screen recorders to download. None of them were great and perfect. So I just said I'll settle for the two that really ever helped me. Bandicam and OBS was the two recorders that really ever was a help. But seeing from what y'all have been seeing that y'all have not been liking or subscribing, and there's barely views, meaning that y'all want OBS back. Sorry, give me rage. Yep, speed up. Alright guys, I promise I'm gonna try better. Alright, I'll try better. But y'all have to do y'all part too. Okay? Please. It's just that these past few weeks, days, months hasn't been that uplifting. But 2022, don't worry, it'll be better. But y'all, I need y'all to, help me reach that 100 subscribers. Look, y'all know, 40. Oh, guys, I gotta end the recording. Anyways, guys, deuces, bye.